Yes, sir. It's that time of day. Gym day, guys. Friday, the 26th of July. Listen to that. Listen to that free will. Profile. Profile hugs on this one. Yes, sir. Guys, this one got some history, y'all. This one got some history. Let's open this garage. Oh, we can turn on the light. Ooh, it's hot already. Guys, the City Grounds, Big Ripper. This is the bike that took me out, guys, right here. This is the one. This is the bike. It had some box brakes, which I switched to cool stops. A lot better. The box brakes, when they're wet, they don't work. Whew, guys, I haven't rode this bike probably since my accident. It had rained like a day before, and the bike path was flooded out, and went through some water, did a wheelie, brakes didn't work, fell backwards, broke my ankle. The worst pain in the world, guys. And it didn't hurt when it happened. It hurt weeks after. I would get up and like all the blood would, like, from sleeping all night, all the blood would like rush down to my ankle. Oh my God. The worst pain in the damn world, guys. Do not break your ankle. Good Lord, that shit hurt. So we're gonna do a little bike shake. Just a little bike shake. Oh my goodness. Felt like my wheel was loose, but it's not. I probably just gotta put some air in this thing because it hasn't been ridden in a minute. Grips, nothing special. Some red and black grips. I'm not sure who these are by. But this bike really didn't cost that much money because, so anyway, my SD card was tripping. So this bike, the parts on it didn't cost that much because every single part on this bike was transferred from my red Anno. So I got the red sprocket, the red chain tensioners, rims, C-clamp, stem, and yeah, all these parts were from my red Anno, and I threw them on here. And then I got the Big Ripper sticker kit from Ride Out Supply. That's the outline kit, black with the red outline. The pedals, these are made by Stamp. They're pretty wide. I like a wide pedal. It's not too wide, but it's wide. I always rock with the stock cranks. I never had a problem. Odyssey half link chain. Box 1 brakes. What else? Oh, the Velo Orange. Well, it's called a Caloi setback seat clamp, or not seat clamp, seat post. It sits you back a little bit. It's real nice. I like it. SE seat. What else you got here? Yeah, the rims are red anno. We got the Vans tires. We got the twisted spokes. We twist everything pretty much. Felix Bike Shop. Pablo Esco blocks. They handle that. We got the 4-piece cruiser bars looking real sexy. These are the red anno pad set. I usually don't run the top two pad because when I travel, you know, I put my bike rack clamp on there and I don't want to screw them up. But yeah, profile hubs, screaming. But yeah, y'all, I haven't been on this thing in a minute. We're about to go to the gym and get it in. Get a little hour in, come back and relax before it gets too hot out here. Shit. We outside with it. What's up? What's up, YouTube? What is going down, YouTube? Feels good, man. Feels good to be on the City Grounds Big Ripper. Short story. I wanted this bike so bad during COVID, but I couldn't find it. They only released a certain amount. They're all gone. I couldn't get it, right? So I think I told you guys a story before, but this is like for my new subscribers that don't know nothing. There was a chick on OfferUp. She had this bike. They actually had two, one for her, one for her husband. And you know, I had the Arctic White Big Ripper, white and blue, which was super nice. And I hit her up. I'm like, hey, my bike is very well taken care of, brand new almost. Let's trade, bro. She did the trade, and that's how I acquired the City Grounds Big Ripper. Super fire. Scared. Oh, scared. Oh my gosh, guys, it is a mental block is what it is. I love disc brakes, man. I love disc brakes. V-brakes, they scare me. I just feel like they're not gonna work. But they do. These cool stops are super nice. They lock the back wheel up really good. But, man, I don't even want to pull up. Ooh, glass. Glass, 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 glass. Little confident boost, little confident boost. As soon as I feel it going back a little bit, I just grab the brake, boom. I grab it quick. There's like zero feather. You gotta feather that brake. Just not comfortable yet. Whew. I feel good. Man. Hey, how's it going? All right, all right. You too, have a good one. People are so nice around here. I love my new neighborhood. You always see the same people like walking out around the same time. People have their routines, which is good. Gotta have a routine. Whew. Maybe Monday we'll go to the pump track. Take the camera out there. I've never been on the pump track with a 29er. Maybe we'll take the red Anno out there. It's right up the street here. Take the Anno. Get some pump track action with a big bike. Morning. All right, this is pretty flat. See if I can get some work into the stoplight. No cars. Dude, as soon as I feel it going back, man, I just grab that brake quick. Wait. Oh well. Sheesh. Hey, birdie. I suck.